Hi! In front of me is Realme C25Y, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this smartphone. First of all, open Settings and scroll down. Then you need to choose System and tap on Languages and Input. Now on screen Keyboard, Gboard and Theme. Over here, let's click Theme. Over here, tap on this plus sign under My Themes and select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust background to darkness by swiping left or right. Then tap on Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on. Finally, just apply, and now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!